Okay guys, I just wanted to give you guys a tour of our Airbnb here in Iriga City, Camarines Sur Bicol, Philippines. So this is the front entrance, which is gated. And then you come through these steps here, guys. And this is your grand entrance. Come through here, nice little sign. Says Catherine's Place. It looks like we have some birds right over here. Anyways, if you go through there, there's a gate where you can actually park your car. So if you have a car, there is car parking. Okay. This is the main Airbnb right here. It's like a little miniature log cabin. Well, that's what it looks like. Okay. There are birds. This is the yard right here. And then let's come through here. This looks like a little lounge area. You can hear the kids in the house right now. Doing some karaoke. Look, there's some karaoke here. Please minimize noise after 9 p.m. Okay, so you have all the karaoke machine stuff right over there. Nice little hammock. Okay. More birds right there. Okay, let's look at a different angle here. There is a little pool, very small. Nice to take a little dip when it gets hot because they're saying that it's been hot lately. So it's very lush, guys. There's just a lot of plants around. Looks like it's a little deep. I think it's about three feet, guys, for the plunge pool. I think this is pretty much considered a plunge pool. All right. Look at these birds here. So you can hear them all over the place. Oh, it looks like there is a little balcony up there too. Right there. In front of the cabin. So let's go inside. There is aircon. This right here, I think, is Unit B. Right here, we are in actually Unit A, guys. There is a little table here. You can relax here and have coffee as well. Okay. Nice little bench. So let's go inside, guys. Hey! Hi. You want to help me with the tour?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys.
So.
This is inside here. It might be a little dark.
Just follow me.
They have okay, let me just tell them a little bit about this area here. There is a smart TV, guys. There's YouTube, okay. If you notice right here, there's also Wi-Fi. They say it's about 40 to 50 Mbps, okay. We have a dinner table. We did kind of rearrange the furniture already just because of Fifi over there. And there's a stairs up. It goes to the bedroom area, okay. So this is the living area, and then upstairs is the bedroom. But we're gonna go inside the kitchen there. So let's look inside the kitchen. So there's a lot of, oh, over here is the plates. Hi, Fifi. So there's plates and stuff in here. But I think plates, towels, okay, so they provide you with a lot of the toiletries and essentials. we'll look at that later. But let's look at the kitchen.
This is the kitchen.
There's Arlene. Okay, so we have the kitchen here. 2-burner stove.
And this is the
sink here. There's a refrigerator.
That was CR here.
There's a CR right there. We don't have to look at the CR though.
I just peed.
She said she just peed in there. But okay, so there's a rice cooker, you know, a fire extinguisher, plates, pots and pans were on the other side, free water. Okay, so this is the roof.
Yeah, that's the
roof, so you can see how. All right.
Come on.
All right, let's. So, Bebo wants to go ahead and show us inside the second floor. Okay, so this is the staircase. All right. He's the boss. Bossing me around here. Okay. So let's look up here, the roof. Okay. And this is the loft area, I guess. It is. Got a couple floor mattresses. This is where the AC unit is. So what they say, I've read a lot of reviews, is that the AC is good enough that the air kind of flows down to the bottom and it cools the whole place, so that's cool. But this is where we're gonna sleep, right here. You got a nice little table lamp. There's Erica. Let me see. And this is another angle. Where are you gonna be sleeping?
Here.
Okay.
Dad, you sleep here with me, okay?
Okay.
Otherwise I could cry.
You're not gonna cry. So this is the staircase here. How it looks from the top.
Be careful.
All right. Thanks for helping me with the tour.
So this is what the blankets here.
Okay. Is there anything else you want to tell the people? Do you like this place? What do you like about this place?
All of it, everything.
You like everything here? We're gonna be here for about 4 or 5 nights, so
No,
almost about
6.
a week. And she wants to stay here for 6 nights. So, anyways, we're gonna go back down, see if we missed anything. So, looks like they're already relaxing, kind of rearranging everything here. There we go. This is how it looks from the staircase, guys. All right, so that's about it, guys. That's the tour here. If you want to stay in this place, if you like how it looks, and you're in the Buhi, Iriga area, then I'll leave the Airbnb link below, guys. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.